Hello and welcome here. This video is about how to make your skin look younger, softer, supple and fresh. In fact, nobody is going to know your age. So let's go straight into the video. The first ingredient we will be using is Moringa powder. Moringa, I don't know. Moringa powder. It's also known as malunge. Yes, the malunge. If you don't have the powder, if you can get your hands on the leaf, it is also good. I'm going to tell you how to use it. But in this video, I'm using the powdered form and this is how it looks. It is green in color and just like the leaf, it's very green in color. This particular herb has a lot of benefits to the body, to your health, to the skin, to the hair, but we'll be focusing on the skin in this video. So let's move on to the next ingredient. The next ingredient is cornstarch or corn flour. If you don't have cornstarch, you can also use rice powder or arrowroot powder. It is also in a powdered form and it is white in color. So these are the two main ingredients we'll be using in this video alongside with other ingredients. First thing you want to do is to get your bowl ready or any container you can use in mixing. Then I'm going to use this moringa powder. So like I said, if you don't have the powder, if you have the leaf, you can as well dry the leaf and blend it, or you just use this small mortar and pestle, just use it to mash it and you're good to go. So in this recipe, I use 1 tablespoon of moringa powder. So before I continue, let me use this opportunity to call you to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Moving on, the next ingredient is cornstarch. Cornstarch is a wonderful ingredient. It is a natural absorbing powder which is very rich in vitamin A, vitamin B1, vitamin B2 and vitamin C. So in this recipe, I will be using 2 tablespoons of cornstarch powder. The next ingredient is castor oil. Castor oil is an antioxidant that fights free radicals in your skin. So free radicals are responsible for accelerating the aging process, and that makes your wrinkles to appear sooner. You're in your late 20s, you have wrinkles already. That is what causes it. So I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of castor oil in this recipe, and I'm going to try to mix. Of course, without something watery, we can't have the consistency that I want. So I'm going to introduce rose water into the combination of the ingredients I'm using. If you don't have rose water, just use clean water, or you can just boil your tap water and use it. So rose water cleanses and brightens the skin. It soothes irritated skin. It decongests the skin pores. It slows down the multiple signs of aging, reduce under eye puffiness and dark circles, and it can be used on all skin types. Can be used on oily skin, dry skin, combination skin. Everyone can use rose water. It is the most gentle cosmetic water you can find. And just to tell you, this does not have any measurement. Just keep adding the water till you get your desired consistency. So while mixing, let me quickly tell you what this mixture will do to your skin. So the moringa in it boosts collagen, and the collagen helps to reduce fine lines. It helps to reduce wrinkles and it stops sagging skin. The moringa keeps your skin clear because it is very high in vitamin C, which produces collagen. It also stops early signs of aging. That was why I said nobody will actually believe your real age. So every day our skin is exposed to stress or some pollution and UV radiation. But thanks to the high level of antioxidants in moringa, including vitamin C, A and B3, that is the remedy you need, the exact remedy you need for that youthful and glowing skin. You won't have to worry about the pollution on your skin, how it can affect your skin and all that. And the castor oil has this moisturizing effect that keep your skin looking young, shiny and healthy. Castor oil also has anti-inflammatory properties which helps in reducing puffiness and swelling. It can also reduce the size of your inflamed pimple or acne or even eye bags. Castor oil treats dry skin, soothes sunburn, and gives your skin a deep moisturizing effect. So I'm just going to go ahead to demonstrate this on my hand, even though if it is for the face, and tell you how to use it. So this recipe should be used at least 3 times in a week. You can also use it once a week, twice a week, but not more than 3 times in a week. It has exfoliating effect, which means it is going to eradicate all the dead skin cells on your face, which will make you bring out new, healthy skin cells that will make your skin look fresh, young, and more beautiful. So when you apply this on your face, just leave it for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Let it dry, then you wash it off. When you rinse it off, it's going to still feel like you need to, because of the castor oil in it. Make sure you wash it off with your facial wash, your gentle facial wash, and avoid anything scrub, avoid anything exfoliating chemicals, because this will also exfoliate your skin. In fact, you're going to love it. You're going to love the feeling after using this. Just make sure you wash it off with a gentle cleanser and use a gentle facial moisturizer afterwards. So we have come to the end of this video. Please do not forget to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up. Bye.